Hi, this is Zdenka. Prime Days have been officially announced and they are happening July 16th and 17th. In this video, let's talk about camera gear. What are the best Prime Day deals from budget to luxury? This video has been brought to you by Obsbot. I will be unboxing Obsbot Tail Air. Let's start with Freewell. I absolutely love using this magnetic filter set for my Sony. I have used them for 3 years now. Mint, no scratch, amazing quality, loving the magnetic feature. You change the filters super fast, it all snaps. Freewell will be participating in Prime Day and they will be offering 20% off and up on some of their products. So if you need filters, check them out. Hohem is also going to be offering a Prime Day deal for those who need a 3-in-1 gimbal such as MT2 to be able to use it with big cameras. Right now, they have a summer sale all the way until July 15th. They are offering 20% discount on almost all of their products. Let's open up Obsbot Tail Air box. This device is designed for live streaming and recording from anywhere. It comes with 2 apps. One for a smartphone and the other for a computer. It has a 4K camera, f1.8 aperture, should have less noise in low light conditions. It supports 4K at 30 frames per second and 1080p at 60 frames per second recording. It has AI auto tracking and you can multi-angle record a stream. For recording, you just use an SD card. That one is not included. This is a charging cable, adapters, and cable for live streaming. Charging time is 90 minutes when it is off. It can be also charged while using it. The runtime is 154 minutes once fully charged. Here is a graph showing different ways this can be connected. LAN, Wi-Fi, USB out, HDMI out. Everything is nicely explained here. I'm looking forward to testing this camera shortly. Let's return to more Prime deals. For those who have full-frame cameras and need very strong gimbal, Zhiyun has also offers ready. From June 10th to July 19th, Crane 3S, Weebill S, Weebill 3S, Crane M3S, and Crane 4 will be on sale, and on July 16th and 17th, Crane S3 Pro. I recently introduced their Zhiyun Cinepeer Weebill 3E on this channel with my Sony a7S III. It's a budget-friendly gimbal built for big cameras. I really enjoyed working with this one and I'm gonna be using it again because I'm going to be doing a very large project this summer involving a group of ballet dancers. They will be wearing giant black angel wings. A lot of photography will be happening there, a lot of filming. Looking forward to that one. You will see it once it's all done. For those who need small things, such as small LED lights, small table tripods, or even heavy-duty video tripods, check out Ulenzi as they will have 20% off on most of their products on their US Amazon store from July 16th to 17th. I have several items from them in my studio and I use them quite a bit. All right, let's test the Obsbot Tail Air camera. I have connected it to my laptop as I would like to check out their Obsbot Center software. When I will be filming outdoors on a location, I'm gonna be using the smartphone app. Check this out, there are so many controls here. You can customize the console. There are different tracking speeds, slow, standard, fast. You can customize that. I'm gonna be testing the tracking outdoors. There are different presets you can save, so if I'm gonna move the camera, let's say all the way to the side here, and want to go back, I'll just hit P1. Another preset is P2. Under the image, you can turn on the HDR. This is the look it's going to get. It just needs a little bit to adjust the skin. I'm gonna turn it off for now. You can customize the focus here. You can customize exposure. All those controls are here. ISO, limit, and under more, you can really customize everything else about this device. You can customize gesture controls here. In the beauty mode, you can enable bokeh, that is the soft effect for the blur background. You can also select the blur level. You can retouch your face here. You can use filters. I'm gonna close that for now, and let's go to settings. Here's where you can see your device and where you can connect more devices. You can have up to 4 cameras at the same time. Next, you can change resolution, bitrate, audio controls are next, hotkeys, OSC, and general settings. Right now, I'm no longer screen recording. I'm recording with a little camera. The sound you're hearing is from my laptop, unfortunately, because it is charging. So it is very loud. The fans are working really hard. But this is the look you're going to get if you're going to be filming with this little camera. The software is very impressive, I must say. The image quality is good as well. Let's check it out outdoors. You can live stream via Wi-Fi or data. You can change the view from wide, auto to face. You can film in automatic mode, but also in manual. And yes, they sell ND filters for this camera. You can enable grid lines, HDR, change style, control white balance. Settings are below, where you can customize gesture control, audio, camera, output, and general settings. Let's enable tracking. When you track, you can get even more options under camera views: wide, auto, close-up, half body, and full body. The little box here lets you enable tracking of object with the box. You just select the object on the screen. How is the audio with the built-in camera? There are some controls where you can adjust gain and noise control. So I'm just testing right now the audio you would get with the Obsbot camera. Obviously, this is the built-in microphone. The noise reduction was set to 1. What I would personally do though is connect the external microphone. Let's return to more deals. If you are looking for a microphone, I've been using Kamika microphones for a few years now, never had any issues. In the studio, I'm using VM30, and on the locations, I am using Vimo C3, as there is this nice charging case included. Kamika will also participate in Prime Day sales, so I will check them out as well. Last deal comes from Insta360. If you're looking for a 360 action camera, they're offering 22% off discount on X3 from July 11th till 19th. Thank you, Obsbot, for making this video possible. I have reviewed Obsbot Tiny 2 years ago, and now after seeing this new camera, I can see a massive improvement in the quality, but also the software and smartphone app. It was very interesting to see what this product is and what it can offer and how it all works for live streaming. I will have to venture myself into live streaming a bit, so this would be definitely a possibility. Link to Obsbot Tail Air can be found below the video in the video description. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in one of those videos next. Ciao, ahoj!